Want to make your videos pop with cool scrolling text like you see in all the best TikToks? Let's dive into exactly how to do it in Capcut. Alright, start a new project by tapping on New Project and selecting the video clip you want to add your scrolling text to. Tap Add to bring it into your timeline. Now, at the bottom toolbar, look for text and tap on it. This will open the text options. Tap on Add Text and type in the message you want to scroll across your screen. I'm just putting my awesome video for now, but you can write anything. After you type your text, make sure to set your font, size, and color. This is important and makes your video more engaging. Now, position your text just outside the right edge of the screen. Then, drag the ends of the text layer to make it span the entire duration where you want the scrolling text to appear. This is essential for a smooth scroll. Now for the magic. At the very beginning of the text layer, tap the little diamond icon that's the keyframe button. This sets the starting point of your animation. Next, move the playhead to the end of the text layer. Now, drag your text all the way off the screen to the left. Capcut automatically adds another keyframe here. Hit play. You should now see your text scrolling smoothly across the screen. If it's too fast or slow, just adjust the length of your text layer. Shorter means faster, longer means slower. That's it, easy, right? Now go add some awesome scrolling text to your videos and give them that professional touch. Don't forget to subscribe for more Capcut tricks.